Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. After that, click on Display and Brightness after scrolling down just a bit. Now click on Text, Size and Weight over here and swipe left or right on this text size slider in order to pick the perfect one. When you're ready, click on the back button, and as you can see after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!